Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Microsoft Family features pop-up. So let's get started. First, open up your Task Manager. Now click on Services at the bottom here. And search for WPC. This one right here, WPC Mon SVC. Now right click on it and click Stop. After that, click Open Services. Now look for Parental Controls. Now right click on it and click Properties. From here, click the drop-down menu, then select Disabled. All you have to do now is click Apply, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.